What's up, Jim? What y'all doing, Belly? Why y'all barking? Something's messing with them animals? How y'all doing your first day out in the hood, homies? Got the guineas on that run. Run, 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 run. Guinea, guinea, guinea. Run, run, run. All day long. Run, run, run as I sing this song. Guinea, get your run on. Guinea, 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 get your run on, players. All y'all do is hang out by this goddamn tree. Come on, birds. Are y'all scared? Y'all living in fear? Belly, you look sick as a dog. What is wrong with you, girl? Right, come here. You just tired? You just come here. You just tired? Come here. What, you tired? You tired? Come here. Oh, lazy dog. My lazy baby. I got love for my doggies. You running with the guineas? Yeah. Come on, Drew, leave them guineas alone. Leave my guineas alone. What's up, little rangers? Clap. Hey, hell, you all holding and tugging and buffing and buffing and huffing and buffing about. Always yelling, 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 knowing what you talking about. Hush. No more barking. Like a crazy dog. I got 100 chickens somewhere. Big ones, not the babies. I'm talking about big birds. They somewhere. Where the birds at, Clyde? I mean, oh, Jizzo. Man, what the hell's going on here? Y'all doing too much. See, that's a contrail. You see how it's anticipating as it travels? Okay. All these things that just go why? Those are not clouds. Those are not clouds. Those are them chemtrails. They're blacking out our skies so satellites can't see. Our enemy satellites. If you look, it's all a zigzag position. That's just come from a layman's idea. Allegedly. Allegedly, man. I said allegedly, man. When you're talking about the wrong things, you might get strike or banned completely. Yeah. That's why y'all check out my Rumble. It's under Smack-a-Funker. Yeah, Smack-a-Funker. Like back in the day when they had South Park, Smack-a-Uncle Funker Motherfunker. This one's Smack-a-Letty Motherfunker. That's what it's under. Smack-a-Letty Motherfunker. Yeah. What's up, crackers? Huh? Don't hear all that bullshit. No one's hear that bullshit. Alright. Peace.